Hey there, TRW crew, Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. In this quick video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of our rhinestone decal mini starter package. So you guys have been asking for something like this for a long time. Something that's not a huge investment, but can give you the ability to test out some rhinestone car decals for the car windows, cell phone cases, computer laptops, whatever you want, and be able to see if it's going to be a good fit for your business. So I'm going to give you two options here in this video with this mini starter kit and show you how much money you can make as well. Stick around to see how. So we have two different options for you in these mini rhinestone decal kits. We have this one right here. This is our download option. So with this one, you can see you're going to get 4 feet of hot fix tape. You're going to get 1 foot of the Magic Flock template material. You're going to get 3 feet of the Bling Anything material, a 50 gross of crystal stones, a 25 gross of the red cyan stones, and a rhinestone brush. But also included with it, you're going to get that baseball, softball, heart cuttable file. It's going to be completely color separated with the templates, ready to send to your vinyl cutter. So if you're getting the download version, that means you have a vinyl cutter and you have the ability to cut the Magic Flock template material. It's going to save you some money, and you're going to be able to create as many as you want in the future as well, which is a pretty cool option. Now, our second option is this one here, and this is the pre-cut version. So what if you don't have a vinyl cutter yet? What if you don't have a heat press yet? You actually have an option. Don't recommend it long term, but you can use a home iron with the rhinestones and the Bling Anything material to be able to make these rhinestone decals off the start. Maybe you're looking to get a business off the ground. But with the pre-cut version here, you're going to get the pre-cut templates like this. We're going to send you this exact template like this here, where it has the fill version of the crystal stones, and then it has the red outline for the laces for you to be able to brush in the stones and make your rhinestone car decal. So you don't even need a vinyl cutter with the pre-cut version. Of course, it's a little bit more because we're going to do all the cutting on our end and send this to you with all of the ingredients you see right here. So the cool thing is, with the amount of stones that are included in the hot fix tape and the Bling Anything material, you're going to be able to make about 33 of these heart decals. 33 of these decals, selling them at about $12 each. That's $396 in sales on this small investment. Pretty awesome. But what I want to do now is I want to show you how we create one of these decals real quick, as far as brushing in the stones, applying the hot fix tape, getting it to our heat press, using the Bling Anything material, and getting it ready for your customer. So let's get one of these things created. Okay, so when it comes to creating our decal, we have our Magic Flock template material with our cuts on it, our Bling Anything material, our hot fix tape, our crystal SS10 rhinestones, our red cyan, and our brush. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to drop down the base layer. I always like to use the layer with the most stones as the first one. Drop that onto our workstation and grab our crystal stones, and let's go ahead and brush these in quick. Alright, so now that we brushed our crystal stones in, we're going to grab our hot fix tape, and we're just going to drop this down right onto this design. Just go over it with your hand real quick like this. Make sure that the tape touches each of those stones. So when I pull this up now, you're going to see all of those stones attached. And what I always like to do is you can just grab your bag of your crystal stones and kind of hold the tape back here. So now we're going to come with our second layer of our Magic Flock template material. The great thing is it all lines up perfect. That's what's so amazing about this material. You can just stack it on top of each other. So now we're going to grab our red cyan stones, drop some of those in there, and let's brush these in. Alright, so we got our red all done. Now what's cool is we can just bring this back here, drop it down, and everything lines up perfectly. So just go in here, make sure we touch all of the red cyan stones there. Pull this up, and now we have our rhinestone transfer ready to press to our Bling Anything material. Alright, so now we have our Bling Anything material. We're going to press it on the shiny side. There's a dull side and a shiny side. Shiny side, we have our protective cover sheet, or you could just use parchment paper or butcher paper. Pull off our rhinestone transfer here. Let's just drop it onto our Bling Anything material. Flip this over, basically sandwich it, and we're going to be at 310 degrees, 315 degrees for about 10 to 12 seconds. Alrighty, so that is done. Let's just go ahead and grab our hot fix tape now, and then we're just going to release the hot fix tape from the Bling Anything material here. That's good to go. And now we're just going to trim around this decal real quick. Alright, so that's it, guys. Here is our completed rhinestone car decal. We can put it on any type of smooth, flat surface, but this is just one out of that kit. What I would recommend is pressing maybe 3, 6, 9, 12 at a time, probably on a 16 by 20 auto clam heat press like this one right here. And if you maximize your materials, you could get about 33 decals out of this one kit that you're getting here today. So now what I want to do is just show you with the numbers how much your business can make from this one little mini starter pack. All right, now when it comes to the margins on a pack like this, check this out. Let's just say, I said you could make 33 decals. Let's just say you make a little mistake and you can make 30 decals out of this kit right here. We're going to retail those at $12 each, okay? So if you get the $64.99 kit, that means it's $1.97 per decal. Now, as you have that template and you just buy stones after it, that price is going to go way down. This is including the brush and everything involved. I want to think worst case scenario here. So $1.97 per decal if we're doing 30 decals. Now, let's just say we're paying an employee $10 an hour. It takes them about 5 minutes per decal, so that's about 83 cents in labor cost. That puts us now, our total cost, at $2.80 per decal. Now, at 5 minutes each, it's going to take about 2.5 hours for that employee to complete this job. So a retail price of $12, that means we're going to make $9.20 on each decal that we sell. What's that mean? That means my business is going to make $276.02 on this job, including all of my materials and my labor cost, or $110.41 an hour. That's pretty crazy, isn't it? Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video today. Hopefully it taught you something about this mini pack and the starter kit for this rhinestone decal side of the business. Gave you a little bit of idea of how much money you can make and the option of the download versus the pre-cut that you see on the website. So if you like this video, please comment below. Let me know what you think about this mini starter pack. Make sure to click that like button. Hopefully you learned some stuff in this video today. And then of course, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see all types of videos like these when we release them for these tutorials. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon. Later.